Hey everyone, welcome back to Medical Professor. Today we are learning how to use since and for correctly in English sentences. Many learners get confused between these two, but don't worry, I'll make it super easy for you with 40 practice sentences. Stick around till the end and let's improve your grammar together. Sentences with since. I have lived in this city since 2010. She has been studying since morning. They have been best friends since childhood. We haven't seen each other since last summer. He has been waiting since 8 a.m. She has worked at this company since March. It has been raining since last night. The shop has been closed since Sunday. I haven't eaten anything since breakfast. He has been in bed since he fell sick. They have been married since 2015. We have known each other since high school. She has played the piano since he was 6. He has been watching TV since he came home. The company has been successful since its launch. She hasn't spoken to me since our argument. He has been in the hospital since last week. My phone has been broken since yesterday. I have loved reading books since I was a child. We have lived in this house since we got married. Sentences with for. I have lived in this city for 10 years. She has been studying for 3 hours. They have been best friends for a long time. We haven't seen each other for 6 months. He has been waiting for 2 hours. She has worked at this company for 5 years. It has been raining for 3 days. The shop has been closed for a week. I haven't eaten anything for 6 hours. He has been in bed for 2 days. They have been married for 8 years. We have known each other for a decade. She has played the piano for 5 years. He has been watching TV for an hour. The company has been successful for many years. She hasn't spoken to me for 2 weeks. He has been in the hospital for 3 days. My phone has been broken for a few hours. I have loved reading books for a long time. We have lived in this house for 6 years. That's it for today. I hope this lesson helped you understand the difference between since and for with clear examples. Keep practicing and soon you'll use them like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning and thank you.